The second Sohra International Half Marathon wrapped up with a grand closing ceremony set against the stunning backdrop of the Seven Sisters Falls. A whopping 3,000 plus runners, including 1,200 spirited youngsters, took part in diverse categories on a lively Saturday morning. The event, backed by the World Athletics and the Athletics Federation of India, commenced with the 21-kilometer race, followed by the 10-kilometer and the Run for Fun 5-kilometer races, each with staggered starts. Athletes hailing from the states of Assam, Uttar Pradesh, New Delhi, and accomplished international marathoners, notably from Kenya, joined the ranks. Esteemed figures like Dr. Vijay Kumar, Isawanda Lalu, Hema Naik, and John F. Kharshiying initiated the flag-offs. Elkanah Rolo from Kenya triumphed in the 21 kilometers elite category, clocking in at an impressive 1 hour 6 seconds. Indian contender Renu Singh clinched the 21-kilometer elite women's category in 1 hour 10 minutes. However, the real spotlight was on the Run for Fun category, where 2,000 plus participants, some as young as 6 years, stole the show. The vibrant atmosphere with enthusiastic onlookers lining the course added to the event's allure. Media outlets and key figures in national athletics further amped up the excitement. The closing ceremony was graced by the Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs Government of Meghalaya, Shakya Wardri, as well as the MLAs of Sohra and Shela constituencies, Gavin Millim and Balajit Sindram. The sports department is eager to carry forward the marathon's legacy and elevate Meghalaya's sports scene.
So we're very happy today that Sohra Marathon has been a huge success this morning. We had almost 3,500 participants. It's a huge jump from last year's number. We had only 700, and this year we're having 3,500 participants. So it's a great encouragement to the Meghalaya State Olympic, to the Government of Meghalaya, to the Department of Sports. And our vision is to see whether we can also get as famous as the Boston Marathon, right? And I hope in later years. It took Boston Marathon around 40 years to be where it is today, and so hopefully we started last year and another 5 years. Thankfully today we have so much social media technology here now, and this word will spread. In fact, we have a large number. We would have had a large number had we not closed the registration, but there are some rules where we have to comply with. 2 weeks before the run, registration has to shut down, because it's a matter of providing t-shirts, logistical support to everybody. So Sohra is a great destination, beautiful natural scenic beauty. You see a lot of these waterfalls, and what we learned from this experience this time, the second edition, since we had our direct numbers open to people to call us. There were so many calls inquiring, "Ye Sohra kahan hai? Ye Meghalaya kahan hai?" Where I sometimes think that everybody knows where Sohra is, where Meghalaya is. So I guess this gives us an indication that government should have as many programs as possible, meaningful programs. This is also a fitness issue. I'm so happy that the locality here, the community here, 14 schools, 1,300 children joined this marathon. So it's a issue of fitness. I'm so happy that the people, community of this locality also have enjoyed it. They loved it. The way they've come out is just an indication. I also have to apologize because there are many who wanted to come at the last minute and we just can't do it because this is also recognized by the Athletics Federation of India, who is monitoring the entire program.